I love Detroit. There's no place like it.
Huh. I can do that.
Man, this town is dead. I should have just moved to Philadelphia.
Nice sunglasses. But it's nighttime, you dig?
What's all the fuss about this augmentation technology?
You watched the hockey game last night? Wins against the Habs. What a massacre.
Why did you do it? You look beautiful just the way you were.